Everybody knows today's about notebooks, and we've got some exciting new notebooks that we want to tell you the story about how we created these things and what they are and why we're so excited about them.
I'd like to start by really giving you a sense of context, by giving you a sense of the sorts of problems and challenges and issues that really preoccupy us when we're designing this class of product. Now, one of the most significant challenges when you're designing a product that is as thin and as light as a MacBook Pro is actually making it strong, making it robust, making it torsionally rigid. This is an aluminum extrusion that's been blanked and then goes through multiple stages. Now we start off by creating the locating features. Now these are the features that are constant with the part, that follow it all the way through the process. Now we then go through a very noisy stage, which we call rough cutting, where we're removing large amounts of material very quickly. We create the holes for the keycaps, and then machine the perimeter. And then towards the end, we finally bead blast the part and then anodize it. And we end with this remarkably precise part that now only weighs 1/4 pound. And it's not only incredibly light, it's very, very strong.
We also have some new graphics for notebooks. NVIDIA came to us many months ago and talked to us about an amazing graphics part that they wanted to build that would combine the chipset and an extremely powerful embedded graphics processor all in one part for a desktop computer. And we said, this is fantastic, but we'd like to use it in a notebook. As you can see, from about 3x all the way up over 6x speedups. What else? Well, we've got a new trackpad for notebooks. We've got a gorgeous, large, multi-touch glass trackpad that we've been working on for a long time that's about to see the light of day in our new notebook. Today, we're introducing our new MacBook Pro. So, some of you are familiar with our current MacBook Pro. As Johnny pointed out, it is the best in class in the industry. This is what most pros in a lot of fields aspire to. And today, we're going to replace it with this. Again, from that to that. And it's gorgeous. Full glass, instant on LED displays. You can see how thin the display is. So we're really happy about this. And as a matter of fact, I'd like you to see it. It's so cool. So if we could get the lights up, I'd like to actually pass one of these around from one side of the aisles to the other so you can just see how beautiful and how high-tech this is. All right, come on in the back. You guys are a little slow. Let's move on through. All right, time's up. You can see them later. Thank you. If you want to go into turbo mode and use the fastest graphics, you get 4 hours of battery life. You get to pick. So we're very happy with this. And for the first time, the MacBook Pro has earned an EPEAT Gold rating. This is run by the Environmental Protection Agency, and it's one of the best. So we're really, really happy with this. And it's going to come in 2 models. The first one, $19.99. We have a second config at $24.99. Another cool product that we are introducing today is a new cinema display. It's a 24-inch, and it's gorgeous, and it's our first cinema display that uses LED backlighting. And it's really, really nice. Very thin. Again, corner-to-corner glass. It's got some cool features on it for notebooks. If you notice the second cable right here coming out, the first one plugs into the AC. Second one has 3 connectors on it. What are they for? Well, the first one is a MagSafe connector. So you can plug it right into your notebook and power your notebook. Second is USB, so you can plug it into your notebook and have access to all your peripherals. And the third is a mini DisplayPort connector for access to the video. So these are some of the new products we wanted to introduce today. But there is one more thing. And of course, that one more thing is the MacBook. It is the best-selling Mac ever. And here it is. Again, there it is. It's an all-new MacBook. Again, corner-to-corner glass, LED backlit display. It is our new next-generation MacBook. And we've got 5 hours of battery life. The new MacBook Pro delivers metal enclosure, the much faster graphics, the LED backlit display. Now, to get into these features, yesterday cost $19.99. You had to step up to a MacBook Pro to get those features. Starting today, you can get these features for just $12.99. That's $700 more affordable. And second model, $15.99. So 2 new great portable lines.